Spaghetti sauce. I'm Carlene from Indigenous-Led, and that's what I'm going to show you. This is Roma tomato. I prefer them because they're more meaty. You wash them, you cut them in half, which I have done. You take a melon scoop, and you're going to scoop out some of the seeds because you don't want all the seeds in there. Then you're going to put them in a bowl. This is pure olive oil, and I like to pour that in. Mix it up. I put a little bit of pickling salt, which is coarse salt and preserving salt. I put a little bit of garlic in. If you have real garlic, it's better. And Italian seasoning. You can either sprinkle it in here in the bowl and mix it up, or follow me over here. We're going to take this, green peppers, onions. We're going to scoop out the tomatoes and we're going to put them on a tray like this. It's got olive oil in it. And then I'm going to add the onions and the green pepper. My oven is at 50 minutes at 350. So we put it in the oven. Make sure we time it. Let it cook. And when it's done, we use a blender. We use a blender to chop it all up nice and fine, cool it, and then put it in freezer bags in the freezer. It is ready to use, and it's also yummy if you want it for pizza sauce. Anyway, thank you. Ona.